Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how you can export videos in CapCut for PC. Alright, so I think this video is especially for those of you who are using CapCut PC for the first time. So after you finish editing the video, you can click export button in the top right corner. Here, just click on it. So you can find the option like this. You can change for the title of your project, and you can select a folder that you want to place the project exported. You can change for the video exporting, that's resolution, bitrate, format, and etc. And you can export the audio, but if you want to export the audio, you can turn up or turn on. Alright, just click export right here. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.